Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set up MSI Afterburner on screen display. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to open up MSI Afterburner. Select the setting gear icon over here. You just need to select the monitoring tab. In this list, you just need to tick mark the things you want on screen display. For example, if you want the frame rate, then you just need to tick mark it and then select the frame rate, and you just need to check mark show on screen display, and it will be in OSD. This will be shown in on screen display, guys. You just need to make this for everything you want in this list: RAM usage and temperature limits, GPU usage and GPU temperature, and memory usage. After doing all things you want in on-screen display, you just need to go to on-screen display tab, type in here Alt O. You need to type whatever you want. So every time I am in game, I need to press this key bind to show MSI Afterburner on-screen display monitoring. And if you want to make it disappear, then you just need to press in keyboard again this keys to disappear the MSI Afterburner on screen monitoring, guys. After typing the key bind, you just need to select apply and OK for save changes. Now I'm gonna show you guys in game. For that you just need to open up any game. Once you are in game, you just need to make sure that MSI Afterburner is opened. You just need to click on this system tray icon, and you just need to make sure MSI Afterburner is running in the background. After that, you just need to get back into your game, and you just need to press in keyboard the key bind you are using to open the MSI Afterburner on screen monitoring. In my case, I put Alt O. After pressing it, now you can able to see the MSI Afterburner on screen display monitoring. And if you want to make it disappear, then you just need to press the key bind again to make it disappear. And that's all you have to do it, guys. That's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.